welcome back to Bryan Fagan's Legal Insights. I'm Trey Taylor, and today we're delving into a topic that many individuals face post-divorce: navigating relationships with your ex-spouse. If you find this information valuable, please hit the like button and subscribe for more legal content. Now, let's explore 5 tips for dealing with your ex after a divorce, especially within the context of Texas state law. To begin, let's acknowledge that post-divorce relationships can be challenging but are often necessary, especially when children are involved. Today, we'll discuss 5 practical tips for effectively dealing with your ex-spouse after a divorce, with a focus on maintaining civility and respecting legal boundaries. Next, let's briefly touch on the legal considerations in Texas when it comes to post-divorce relationships. The Texas Family Code outlines the rights and responsibilities of divorced parents, and understanding these legal parameters is essential for fostering healthy interactions while respecting each party's legal rights. To provide context, let's consider a real-life scenario. Meet David and Lisa, a divorced couple in Texas with 2 children. Navigating life post-divorce becomes complicated as David and Lisa try to co-parent. This scenario will help us to explore how the tips discussed today can be applied in real-world situations. The first tip for dealing with your ex after a divorce is to set clear boundaries. Establishing well-defined limits on communication, involvement in each other's personal lives, and decision-making can help create a more structured and less contentious post-divorce relationship. Effective communication is key to successful post-divorce relationships. Tip 2 explores strategies for open and respectful communication, ensuring that discussions about co-parenting and other shared responsibilities are productive and focused on the well-being of any children involved. Tip 3 emphasizes the importance of prioritizing the well-being of the children. Co-parenting after divorce requires a joint commitment to fostering a healthy and supportive environment for the children. We'll explore strategies to keep their best interests at the forefront of your interactions. Tip 4 suggests seeking professional guidance when needed. Whether it's involving a family counselor, mediator, or legal professional, seeking help can provide valuable insights and strategies to navigate challenges that may arise post-divorce. The final tip encourages individuals to prioritize self-care. Navigating post-divorce relationships can be emotionally taxing, and taking care of your mental and emotional well-being is crucial. We'll explore strategies for self-care and maintaining a positive outlook for the future. As we conclude today's discussion, remember that post-divorce relationships require effort and commitment from both parties. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more legal insights. Consult with a qualified family law attorney to navigate the specific challenges in your case. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.
Thanks for tuning in to the end. We understand that divorce can be expensive depending on the situation. That's why we're offering our Do-It-Yourself Texas Divorce e-course. You can get access to this e-course by clicking on the link in the description below. Catch you in the next video.